Hi students, welcome back. In our previous session, we discussed about vitamins, water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Students, do you ever think about why doctors said to expose infants to mild sunlight? Infants who have not started taking food items are exposed to mild sunlight for a short time because to get vitamin D. Like that, while cooking fruits and vegetables, it is better to cover the vessel. Why is it said so? Yes, it's because when fruits and vegetables are cooked, the vitamin C in them dissolves in steam. It goes out of the vessel with the steam. So, it is better to cover the vessel while cooking fruits and vegetables. Students, next we are going to discuss about minerals. Minerals are elements in food that our body needs to develop and function normally. Iron, calcium, phosphorus, sodium, iodine, etc. are all minerals which are essential for the body. Iron helps in the synthesis of hemoglobin in the blood. Leafy vegetables, seed of pumpkin, horse gram, jaggery, etc. are rich in iron. Next, calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus helps in the formation of bones and teeth, and it also helps in the functioning of muscles and nerves. Banana, tapioca, yam, leafy vegetables, milk products, etc. contain calcium and phosphorus. Next is sodium. Sodium helps to retain water needed in the body. Common salt contains sodium. Iodine. Iodine helps for the proper functioning of the thyroid gland and for mental development. Seafoods, iodized salt, head of sea fish, etc. are rich in iodine. Students, do you know the deficiency of which element causes anemia in a child? Yes, the deficiency of iron causes anemia. The deficiency of which element? The deficiency of iron causes anemia. Students, now you understood the importance of minerals. So, students, minerals are very essential for our health. Next, we are going to discuss about nutrient deficiency diseases. The deficiency of nutrients causes retardation of growth and many other diseases. Such diseases are called nutrient deficiency diseases. There is a table in your textbook of page number 67 showing the disease caused by the deficiency of vitamins and minerals and their symptoms. The deficiency of vitamin A causes the disease night blindness. Its symptom, it is difficult to see in dim light. The deficiency of vitamin B causes the disease mouth sores. Its symptom is lesions in the mouth. The deficiency of vitamin C causes the disease scurvy. Its symptom is pus and bleeding of gums. Next is rickets. It is the disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Its symptom is bones become brittle and bent. Deficiency of iron causes anemia. Lack of blood, paleness is its symptoms. Goiter. It is the disease caused by the deficiency of iodine. Swelling in the throat is its symptom. So students, let's summarize our today's session. Today we discussed about minerals and its functions. And also we discussed about disease caused by the deficiency of vitamins and minerals. So that's all for today. Thank you.